Hi everyone, welcome back to iProp Fun, and today in True IKEA fashion, we're going to walk through how to install this Kallax shelving unit by IKEA. Instead of making it a fixed unit, we got Castor wheels to put under the shelves so that we can then roll around the shelves and make it a portable unit. So after setting up, you can put it in your living room, dining room or family hall, and to make it into an enclosed shelf, we got the doors which you have to buy separately and install individually at the sides where the holes are already provided in the shelves. So now you have a fully covered shelving unit that is rollable and portable around the house. You can roll it from the living room to the dining room or from bedroom to bedroom. I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my referral link. You get a shelf and I get a small commission from every sale that is made. That goes to help to support this channel. And if you found value from today's tutorial, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this in the home and living series. And with that, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.